Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Julissa. Oh my god, I look crazy. I know. I'm actually letting these sit for an hour, so don't mind my look for this video. I just wanted to save time because Vlogmas is crazy. I have been uploading a video every single day for the month of December, and every minute counts here. If I have an hour to film a video quickly as I set these, I will do it. So don't mind this look. I'm gonna link this video down below so you guys can see how this turned out, what I think about these rollers. These are the CONAIR rollers, but if you guys are curious to see like how this turned out, I'll just put a video up here because you guys have to watch this whole video with me looking like this, looking crazy with these rollers. So I might as well put a quick video up here so you guys can kind of see how this look ended up turning out. So yeah, I really hope you guys are liking my channel so far. Make sure that you subscribe, follow my Instagram. This is my Instagram right here. I post a lot of stuff on there that I do not post on my YouTube channel, so go ahead and check out my Instagram, show some love, and let's get right into the video. By the way, this is a part 2. If you guys want to watch the part 1 of this video, I'm gonna link it down below. I actually filmed that maybe like about a year ago, so I have some more hair tools in that video that I don't use anymore, but this is part 2 of that video a year later. So the first hair tool that I don't use anymore is actually the dry bar blow dryer. So this one I actually gave to my mom. It's really good for her short hair, and she actually used it a lot, so much that it was kind of like coming apart. So basically the bristles were not as strong as we thought they were, like they were getting all bended. So yeah, just keep that in mind. The bristles are not very durable, and this hair tool is like $120. Not even, I think it's like $150, and you can get a better blow dryer in my opinion, honestly, for like 40 bucks. So yeah, we don't use that one anymore. I also don't use the TINECO wavy anymore. It's a good hair tool, but I use other hair tools to curl my hair that I like more and that the curls last more. The TINECO wavy is nice, but you definitely have to add some hairspray to your hair if you want your curls to last a little bit. They don't even last that long, so that's why I don't use the hair tool anymore. I'd rather use another hair tool to curl my hair because my curls will last a lot longer with other hair tools. I don't use this cordless hair tool anymore. I actually used it once for a video. The chamber was way too small for me for my long hair, and the battery would die all the time, so I never really used that one again. This one's pretty obvious. I don't use the Dyson Corral. I returned it and I just never really liked it. It's so overpriced. $500 for a straightener is a little bit extreme. I just felt like my hair looked super staticky with that hair tool, and the battery would die on me all the time. I would charge it, fully charge it overnight. I tried everything and it just wasn't working for me. It would die in about 30 minutes. 30 minutes is not enough for me. I have a lot of hair, it's curly and it's long. So yeah, I didn't love the Dyson Corral. I think that was a pretty obvious one, I guess, but I just wanted to tell you guys because maybe you guys were wondering if I still use it or not, or if I still have it. I don't have it. I returned it. Another hair tool that I returned that I didn't really like was the Maxi Glide. I don't use it anymore, obviously, because I returned it. So I only used it one time for a video, but I just felt like it was very overrated. It was very expensive, and it was pulling my hair a lot. It was pulling my ends, so I didn't love it, so I just returned it. But I've seen a lot of people say that they love it. I just didn't love it, so I returned it. I also don't really use the Dyson AIRWRAP too much. Like, I wish I could use it more. It's so pricey and I feel like I don't use it enough. I love the curling attachments, but the curls fall right away. Even on damp hair, the curls fall very quickly. So I guess I gotta play with that hair tool a little bit more and really see what works best for me. I feel like the curls are not very long lasting. I wish that they were a little bit more long lasting because they turn out so beautiful. But I also don't use a Dyson AIRWRAP to blow out my hair. I feel like the attachments are not the best for my curly hair. I like the round brush attachment, but it's too small for me. I really wish that they had a bigger round brush attachment. That would be so amazing, and I feel like a lot of people would really like that. If they come out with the bigger round brush attachment, I am going to buy it right away. I could definitely see myself using that blow dryer as like my go-to blow dryer if it had a bigger round brush attachment. So yeah, I don't really use the Dyson AIRWRAP that much, but I do like it. It's just that I haven't figured out how to like really get the best results with it. Every time that I use the Dyson AIRWRAP curling barrels, my curls just don't last. They turn out so beautiful, but they just don't last that long. So maybe if I use some type of product, or maybe if I use hairspray or something, they will last a little bit longer. But I do like the Dyson AIRWRAP, and I do like the Dyson SUPERSONIC too. Another hair tool that I don't use anymore and that I actually gifted to my cousin is the Julissa Zen Waver. So that one is very similar to the Cheese Spin and Curl. I do like the Cheese Spin and Curl more because it's easier to use. With the Julissa, you have to place your hair on a specific side of the chamber, depending on to which side you are going to curl your hair. If you're going to curl it to the right side, you got to place your hair on like the left side of the chamber, and then you got to click a specific button. So it's just a little bit confusing. You got to like remember a lot to get like that perfect curl. You do get some really nice curls, and you can get the hang of it after a while, but it's not as user-friendly as the Cheese Spin and Curl. With the Cheese Spin and Curl, you just place your hair on the chamber and you just click the button that you're going to use to curl like away from your face. So if you're going to curl to the left away from your face, you just click the left button. So it's like very easy to use, but I do find the Julissa Zen Waver to be a little bit more like complicated. But you do get some really nice waves, and I do like that hair tool, but I don't use it anymore because number one, like I gave it away, and also number two, I like the Cheese Spin and Curl more, so I end up using that one more than the Julissa. Another hair tool that I don't use anymore, and I only actually used it for a video, was the Marble Beauty blow dryer. I just didn't like the swivel cord. The swivel cord was not working for me, and it was just getting so tangled. The cord was just getting super tangled and twisted, and it was just very uncomfortable, so I don't use it anymore. I also don't use the Pro Blow detachable brushes. I only used it once for a video, and that was just a mess. That did not work for me. I feel like if you have straight and wavy hair, that could work for you, but if you have curly hair, it's going to be very hard for you to get a nice sleek look with those detachable brushes, so I just don't use them at all. I also don't find myself using the Revlon straightener. That is actually very good, very affordable, but I have other straighteners that I like more. Same with the Revlon curling iron, also very nice and affordable. You get some really nice curls, but I end up using another curling iron that I like more. So yeah, they're not bad, but I just don't really use them anymore. So those are all the hair tools that I have for this video. These hair tools I don't use anymore, but that doesn't mean that they're bad, okay? I just wanted to clarify that, and it doesn't mean that I don't like them. It just means that I just don't use them anymore because I use other ones that I like more. So yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on your post notifications so you can get notified every time I upload a video. And I hope you guys are liking Vlogmas so far. Make sure that you subscribe if you're liking Vlogmas so far. And I'll see you guys tomorrow in my next video. Mwah. Bye-bye.